Have you ever seen a couple who are inseparable no matter what they do? They are lovebugs. They also have a more romantic name, honeymoon flies. There are about 700 known species of lovebugs worldwide, and as long as you spot a lovebug nearby, there are often hundreds or even thousands of them. They fly in flocks in the air. Sometimes they even gather in front of and behind your house. Their love story. It all began with a grand group blind date. The scene was lively, just like a big bachelor's party. In fact, they have long known each other for a long time. Because of the larval stage, they all take the form of maggot-like larvae, living together underground. Once they mature and develop, they will collectively break through the ground at the same time, spread your wings, and fly into the sky. This phenomenon is called synchronous emergence. In some regions, this scene usually happens in spring, so they also have a name, March flies. The differences in appearance between bear insects and females are very obvious. Bear bug has a special pair of full eyelets. Look closely. Its two pairs of eyes connect at the top of its head, forming a whole area. Females have smaller eyes. The head is also more elongated. This full eyepiece can provide almost a 360-degree field of view, help bear bugs in dense swarms quickly lock onto the target. However, sometimes, rather than searching in chaotic swarms, why not go directly to the flowers and try your luck? Of course, the premise is that it can first defeat other competitors. Finally, this competition has seen a winner. After successful mating, the female carries the bear bug on her back and continues flying. It's like carrying a tiny passenger with a rocket tightly hooked, because until the very last moment, no one can guarantee anything. It will not be replaced by another bear bug. The dominant bear bug will bend its abdomen toward the female. Then the tail ends of the two are firmly connected together. Immediately after, the bear bug will flip its entire body over, and so on. Who exactly is driving now? Through this strong connection, bear insects pass their sperm to females. The longer it stays connected with the female, the better, the less chance the female will have to mate with other bear insects. In this way, it inherits its own genes. The probability of passing it on to the next generation will also increase significantly. Different kinds of lovebugs, their honeymoon periods also vary in length. The shorter ones lasted only half an hour, but the long ones can last for several whole days. During this time, they were almost inseparable. Together, we weave through the flower beds while sipping the sweet nectar of flowers. On the other hand, it brings a large amount of pollen to different flowers, helps plants complete pollination and reproduction. Whether traveling together or occasionally separate actions, lovebugs are excellent pollinating insects. They pollinate many beautiful flowers. For example, the sunset silk grass. It also pollinates the fruits on our dining tables. For example, cherries, apples and pears, even the poisonous toads, which people avoid at all costs, they also visit as well. Poisonous toads, tiny flowers, honey gathering and pollination. Although the oil in the leaves of the toxic clam is also present, it can cause redness, swelling and itching of the skin. But for lovebirds, it has no effect at all. In fact, those leaves actually became their most comfortable sleeping spot. Perhaps for the lovebug, fly together, pollinate together is the true meaning of